morning to everyone. For Ruijie partner, welcome to attend our this RSE-Reyee version 1 certification training. I'm today's speaker. I'm Aston Kaur. I'm a post in the Ruijie as a regional service manager. Let us to come with RSE-Reyee introduction for today. For today, RSE-Reyee training courses, actually these courses will provide some step-by-step introduction, okay, how you are going to set up our this EG, our switches, our AP, right? So today the entire course, we are more on focus in Reyee. Okay, so for those you are very familiar with our Ruijie AP, right? So please forget it today, okay, because today is a new thing, okay? The RSE-Reyee, totally the concept and principle is different with our Ruijie product, right? So as you're understanding, our RSE-Reyee product, actually we are targeting for the low entry market, like such as TP-Link, D-Link, this kind of competitive, right? Today, the course also will be cover some troubleshooting, okay, during what kind of a scenario you will be facing, okay, when you are going to on-site, even those in your this customer place, right? And the problem coming out, what you want to do, right? They will have a lot of recommended, will be listed in our this training material as well. All those you will able to learn a little bit from our hardware, okay, the features, okay. What is the features we are supported in our Reyee Switches, EG, and WLAN product, right? So higher these courses, right, actually we have this hands-on, okay, we need you to hands-on. That's why for the invitation, right, we need you to prepare a set of this equipment. So you need to have switches, and then you need to have AP and EG as well, right? So let me to introduce myself again to let you know more about me, right? So my name is Aston Kaur. This is my email address. You can screenshot about this page. So if you have any problem, right, for these features or anything, you can please welcome to drop me an email. So I'm in charge for the global regional, so like Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, or Myanmar, and then Sri Lanka. This kind of a place is in my this managed region, okay. So this is my portfolio. So I've been in the Ruijie, okay, as a regional service manager about 3 years plus, right? So before that, I have been experienced about solution consultant, speaker, project manager as well, okay, for the old company, okay. So nowadays I've been full-time in the trainer, okay, in the Ruijie side. So I have been in this network field more than 10 years. Okay, starting from this routing and switching. Okay, after that I moved on another division, security of the network, and then wireless. All those my last field to touch is VoIP, IP phone. Okay, for Cisco collaboration, right? So today the course for RSE-Reyee will be cover the entire whole day. Okay, I will try my best. Okay, as soon as possible, I will complete it before 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. Right, so today will be a start from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. supposedly, right? I will shorten the time if I am able to complete early, okay, as soon as possible. So the lunch time I will start from 12 until 1:30. So before you are attend for our RSE-Reyee courses, our RSE stand for medium range training for your this medium knowledge. Okay, so we require you before you take this RSE-Reyee, right? You supposedly you need to have go through our Reyee backpack, Reyee workshop. Okay, conduct by our CSE. Okay, or our pre-sales. Okay, all those if you have a CCNA or RCNA or RCE, you will more understanding during going through the explanation. Because just now I can see a lot of new of this for Reyee product, right? So I will teach a little bit about beginning. Okay, so today the course agenda I will break for 2 sections. So the first section will be first is service support introduction, and second will be a SON working principle troubleshooting. And then I will try as soon as possible the EG. Okay, actually for our Reyee agenda is more interesting part in our EG, because our EG is cover a lot of features, has been help our AP, our switches to run about it, right? So at the afternoon section will be more relaxed, because I will talk about the more of MBS switches or our ES series switches, right? So at the end will be a wireless. Wireless for our RIP actually is very common AP, just able to do some WEP, WPA, and WPA2 only. So if you require the landing page, everything, right, you need to integrate with our Reyee EG, okay? Not like Ruijie AP. Ruijie AP, they can be prompt out the landing page, even though you have a 1 unit AP, okay, you can do that. But Reyee, sorry about that, okay? Reyee solution totally is different, okay? The Reyee AP only is the pure AP, just a normal AP. They will broadcast the SSID and then normal the authentication. If you require the all advanced features, right, you need to bundle purchase with the EG, Reyee EG, right? So today, actually, I require you to prepare yourself, okay, for this 1 unit of the Reyee switches, and then 1 unit of the Reyee AP, and then EG together, okay? Because later I have this teaching section, right? So you need to go through with me, okay, to do the exercise, because the pandemic issue, okay? Supposedly our this training course we will be on class, okay? We will invite you come to our this distributors, and then we will go there to provide you the training, and then everybody have 1 unit of these devices to do the setup, okay? So that's why the pandemic issue, so we move this entire training course to the online training, right? So your site, you need to require to prepare about it. After that, complete the results, email to me. Okay, this is the part 1 of your exam, right? And then the second part of your exam will be Q&A. Okay, they will have you need to log into our this learning portal and then take our exam for our second part, right? So this is our before you are logged into our e-learning portal, right? You need to go for those new for Ruijie, right? Ruijie, we have our this examination portal, right? So you can go for this registration, get your this Ruijie ID. Okay, the Ruijie ID is similar like CSCO ID. They will represent you in Ruijie, okay, to the StudyLink server and database. Okay, once this is the step, how you are going to create your this RGID. So you need to log in for our official website, right? So go for partner and then log in, register as your email address, and then you go to generate your RGID. This is the part, okay? So some of the students will be asking me, what is the ID number? ID number is your identity number in your local country. So you can put your this identity number, okay, for your this part. After that, your full number, then generate the RGID, right? So once you are successful generate, you will be able to get the RGID. This RGID is your learning RGID represented in Ruijie database. Okay, so are you ready to start now? Okay.